Good morning, this is Junior TV here in the NC Weather Now Weather Center. We're tracking some potential storms for later on today across much of the area, Piedmont Triad area, and you can see this morning some showers and storms across the country. We're going to look, you can see some showers and storms across the Ohio Valley, across the deep south. The flooding threat in Texas is starting to go down, but near the Odessa, Texas area, there's still a flash flood warning, so they need to take precautions. We had a flash flood emergency for areas in the Chicago, Illinois area on your Tuesday evening, so that was pretty dangerous. Had a 1,000-year flood event in parts of the New Mexico area. So in parts, we had flash flood emergencies with some debris flows in parts of New Mexico on Tuesday evening also. Now back at home, we have these showers and storms this morning across the coastal regions, scattered showers. So again, mostly dry in the Piedmont. And let's go to the dew points across the area. 70s with some 80s. I think that 82 was maybe a little bit overdone, but it's lowered back down and you get to the mountains to the 60s, which feels a bit better than it is now, but that's still pretty humid. So we have a lot of moisture to work with. We have the PY values are pretty high, and considering the saturated ground in parts of the Sand Hills and Alamance, Orange, Chatham counties, those areas that were hit hard earlier this week on Sunday with Tropical Storm Chantal, it won't take a whole lot to cause flooding later on today, so I really want people to be aware of that. Now we'll go back over to the graphics, the other graphics system. Let's go to the graphic system. We'll switch from the radar, and you can see what I'm tracking for today is high temperatures in the 90s, scattered showers and storms for this week, a level 2 and 3 flooding threat for today, so a higher than usual flood threat for today, Thursday, so stay weather aware. Let's go over to the today's temperatures in the 90s, low 90s, scattered showers and storms in the Triad, similar deal in the Charlotte area and Raleigh, high temperatures in the mid 90s and lows in the low 70s across both metros. So again, the flooding threat, as I was saying, level 3 closer to the Virginia border. I wouldn't be surprised if that gets pulled back down as that next update comes from the Weather Prediction Center out of College Park, Maryland, later on today. Now let's go to my graphic with the threats, medium threat of damaging winds, low threats of large hail and tornadoes. I'm not expecting a lot of that, but you can never say never here when it comes to weather. So flooding threat is going to be the highest threat. So that's what we're going to be watching. You need to be prepared for the possibility of flooding. This could be some pretty significant flooding in some areas. I won't be surprised if we get some considerable flash flood warnings or even flash flood emergencies for later on today and tonight. So 7-day forecast, 90s for today, cooling back down with some rain chances Thursday and Friday, 70 to 80% chance. As we get into the weekend, pop-up showers and storms with increasing sunshine, not as cloudy, but pop-up showers and storms each day as we get into the middle of next week. For NC Weather Now, this is Junior TV. Have a great rest of your Wednesday.